In this System.io lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up a squeeze page to collect email addresses, how to set up an email campaign so you can start sending out those automatic emails. The next step is to create an email campaign. We're going to need one for our next step. So jump up to the top bar here and go down to Email Campaigns. Create a new one and call it Opt-in. This is going to be a series of emails that you send to any new leads to explain more about your products and services. Go inside by clicking on the name and create your first email. So this is a bit of a welcome email. You can type your subject in here and click Save. What you would type out in this email is a bit of a welcome to your list and some more information about the different products and services that you offer. You may even want to put a freebie in here to welcome people. When you're done writing out your email, click Save and Publish. All these details can stay the same. Click Activate. You can return to this page at any time and finish filling out all these details. In our template, all these buttons take them to the next step, which is set up as an email collection page. It's now time to make this page actually work. Return to System.io and go up to Automations, Workflows. This part isn't actually taught in a lot of courses and they ask you to upgrade your plan to be able to send emails like this, but I found a workaround because I'm sneaky like that. So we're going to use Automations, Workflows. Click Create and we'll call it New Leads. Go inside of that by clicking on the name and we're going to tell it what to do. So our first trigger is going to be funnel form subscribed. And then we find our page, which is our squeeze page. So you'll see that's my first attempt funnel. We don't want that. We want to find my new funnel here, the roadmap, squeeze page. So when someone fills out their details on this squeeze page, it's going to do something. That's where we add an action. And the action will be subscribe to campaign. Then we choose the campaign we've just made. That's why I had you do it before, because otherwise this would be blank. Create. Now this isn't activated yet, so we need to exit. Go over here to the little dots and click Activate and confirm. Not sure why they don't have that on the other page inside, but this is just how it works. So now that it's active, you can see the little green tick. What does that mean? What have we just set up? It now means that this page, when someone fills out their name and email, they will automatically be sent that first email that you wrote out. That may be your freebie or your welcome to my list email. That is now working. Now that you have that email campaign set up, go ahead and test it and make sure you start receiving emails from yourself. I'll see you in the next video.